Ball forward to Sané. Sané it is. And it's Bernardo Silva. It's in.
Beautifully played through. Watford are just hanging on here. It's surely only a matter of time before City break the deadlock. Trots upfield, plays to Aguero. Aguero plays it through. Here's an opportunity for Manchester City that's converted by Bernardo Silva.
We need a good reaction from all the lads. That's what we'll try to do in Southampton, knowing that we play away against a good side.
Here's for Bernardo Silva again. Well, neatly worked with Mahrez. It's Silva and the cutback, and there's the first. It's David Silva. Well worked move down the right-hand side between Mahrez and Silva. Just outside the box, falling to Bernardo. City once again falling for that byline, and it's in the back of the net, and it's Aguero breaks the deadlock. What a finish from the Argentinian! Delight on the terraces. City come together. Nothing Alisson Becker can do about that. 40 minutes gone. It's City 1, Liverpool 0.